Hello and welcome back into my channel Tech Devakanto. Today in this video we are going to unbox HRB bearing UPC204. UPC204 is the model name. So I'm going to unbox this pack. I'm buying this product from Amazon. You can go into my video description and buy this product. I'll put all the information link in my video description. Now I'm going to open this pack. So the total weight is 750 gram. So this is the real pack. So this is a HRB bearing. I'm going to open this pack. So the box, it is total price is 200 rupees inclusive all the taxes. So this is our real pack. This is the HRB pillow bearing. It is manufactured by HRB. Inside this, it is 20 millimeter. I'm going to open this pack. So this is the real bearing system. The bearing cover is very good. It is a very good quality product. It is a bearing lock and UC204 HRB bearing. It's very frictionless bearing. The bearing cover is very good, and this is for greasing purpose. You can attach this, and the bearing size is not too much big. It is 20 millimeter inside. It is very stable. And that's all for our today's video. If you are new into my channel, please consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.